My dear students, good morning. Yesterday I was telling you about types of chemical reaction, that is combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction and redox reaction. That is a chemical reaction. The chemical reactions can be classified in this way. Here, the second type here, that is the decomposition reaction. As the word here decomposition tells, that is the process of decomposing, the splitting up, a breaking down, a chemical reaction in which a substance is split up into two or more substances. This type of chemical reaction is called a decomposition reaction. Therefore, that is a breaking down of a chemical substance into two or more substances is called decomposition reaction. One thing is important here, decomposition reaction requires energy. This energy may be supplied in the form of heat, light or electricity. Therefore, based on the type of energy, decomposition reactions can be classified in three groups. Thermal decomposition, photo decomposition, and third one, electro decomposition. That is, as the name thermal decomposition tells, thermal means heat. A decomposition reaction taking place in presence of heat is called a thermal decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction taking place in presence of heat is called thermal decomposition. You can give example of thermal decomposition. A very common example, when ferrous sulfate crystals are heated in presence of heat, that is when the ferrous sulfate crystals are heated, we get iron oxide, Fe2O3, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. FeSO4 solid. When it is heated, we get Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. Now balance them. So this is an example of thermal decomposition reaction. You can give another example of thermal decomposition reaction. When calcium carbonate is heated, we get calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Similarly, when lead nitrate PbNO3 whole twice is heated, we get PbO lead oxide NO2 plus O2. These are some examples of thermal decomposition reaction. Take another example, that is, take another type of chemical reaction, that is a decomposition reaction, that is photo decomposition reaction. Photo decomposition reaction. Here you have defined that decomposition reaction taking place in presence of heat is called thermal decomposition. In case of photo decomposition, what? That is a decomposition reaction taking place in presence of light. Photo means light. A decomposition reaction taking place in presence of light energy is called photo decomposition. Here you can take an example. When silver chloride, it is a white colored substance, when it is heated, that is when it is kept in light, we get silver and chlorine. Black colored or slaty colored substance Another example, silver bromide. When silver bromide is kept in light, means sunlight, we get silver metal and Br2, that bromine gas. These two examples belong to photo decomposition. And third case, electrodecomposition. A decomposition reaction taking place in presence of electricity. A decomposition reaction taking place in presence of electricity is called electrodecomposition. You can give examples of electrodecomposition. Electrolysis of water. When water is electrolyzed, electrolysis at cathode we get hydrogen gas and at anode we get oxygen gas. That is electrolysis of water is an example of electrodecomposition. You can take another example of electrodecomposition when the molten silver chloride is electrolyzed we get sodium metal plus chlorine gas. So these two are the example of electrodecomposition. So I have told you about the decomposition reaction and type of decomposition reaction due to the source of, that is here due to the different sources of energy. If the energy is in the form of heat, then it is called a thermal decomposition reaction, and if it is in the form of light, it is called a photodecomposition reaction, and if the source of energy is electricity, then this type of decomposition is called as electrodecomposition reaction. Now, I am going to give you some homework regarding this topic. So, please note homework. Define decomposition reaction question number 1. Question 2, write 3 types of decomposition reaction with one example of each. Third question, prove that decomposition reaction is the reverse process of combination reaction. Combination reaction question number 4 at which electrode oxygen and hydrogen gas are evolved during electrolysis of water. Question number 5. Write any one application of photo decomposition of AgCl. Thank you very much.